Are you ready to make money with chatbots? In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your chatbot business idea into reality. I'll walk you through all the steps that you need to take in order to launch a successful chatbot business. Don't wait any longer and learn how to start a chatbot business today. So, watch the video to the end. You can also visit the link under this video in the description box to learn more. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Looks like everyone is jumping on the AI craziness. It's true. AI is such a high converting angle right now. Do you know what's better than creating an app that is powered by AI? It's creating an app that creates AI chatbots for you. Imagine owning your very own AI chatbot not only similar to Chat GPT. There is a huge demand for Chat GPT-like bots. Now you can create a custom AI chatbot quickly and easily with BrainBox. BrainBox is the world's first app that allows you to unleash the power of AI and launch your very own Chat GPT-like intelligent chatbot that can perform a wide variety of tasks. There is nothing this AI chatbot can't do. From writing, editing, proofreading, translating, even writing complex code and fixing other programmers' mistakes. BrainBox will even generate AI-based art, images, and video from any keyword you enter. Launch your own AI chatbot similar to Chat GPT. Personalize your chatbot with your own style, name, and logo. Become the next big player like Chat GPT and profit big. Get paid from every single search or command. Newbie friendly. Take advantage of the built-in 50+ AI features such as write engaging, high-quality content for videos, blogs, scripts, emails, newsletters, ebooks, literally anything. Turn plain text into engaging, professional videos that attract thousands of free hits of traffic. Generate the best AI designs that put 99% of graphic designers to shame in just seconds. Design sales pages, sales funnels, fully functional blogs. Proofread your writing without paying anything. Translate your writing to over 50 different languages and profit. Forget paying huge fees for content writers, programmers, designers, translators, video editors, SEO experts, customer support, etc. BrainBox handles all of that for you 100%. To get access to BrainBox, you need just 4 easy steps away. You can visit the link in the description to see the live demo and get full access.